take screenshots on the Xiaomi 17 Pro, there are three ways. One is the power and volume down buttons. So that button combo, like any other Android phone, you can take a screenshot just like that. And then, of course, from here, you can annotate the screenshot, you can draw on it, or you can share and then tap on save. You can also take a screenshot using the 3-finger gesture, just like that. And that takes a screenshot as well and saves it to your gallery. Now, also, if you go to the quick settings panel, there's a screenshot icon that also takes a screenshot. So there are plenty of ways to take screenshots. Now, if you're on a scrollable page, like for instance, this settings page, and you take a screenshot, you can actually tap on scroll, and then it's going to scroll for you to take a scrolling screenshot. So at any time, you can tap on done to stop the scrolling, and it's going to capture that part of the screenshot. So again, from here, you can edit, you can crop out the parts you don't want, and then tap on save to save that screenshot. All screenshots are going to be saved in the gallery app. So if you go into the gallery app, you should find all your screenshots there. Thanks for watching and good luck.